some heavy rain and thunderstorms moving through parts of central Florida.
Christina, there's also a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Volusia County, Lake County, and Seminole County. This is going to go until 9:15. So let's get straight to it and have a look at first warning radar. That yellow box you see, that's the severe thunderstorm warning. The heaviest rainfall right now working across I-4 and towards I-4 in Volusia County and Seminole County. So again, it's going to include Lake, Seminole, and Volusia County, although the heaviest rainfall now exiting out of Lake and moving through Volusia and Seminole County. So latest timing looks like this. In just a few minutes, it's going to be over Sanford, New Smyrna Beach, right around 6:18, but looks like it's moving very quickly at about 40 miles per hour, so may actually even be a little bit before that. And I'm also keeping my eye on some very broad rotation, nothing quite defined, but I'm going to be watching that very closely. Let's go over to Zellwood in northwestern Orange County. Tavares, Eustis, still some heavier rainfall here as this continues to work down to the south and to the east. And then ahead of that main line, it's from Bay Lake over to Claremont, working into western Orange County, that we also have some heavier rain. So it's going to be that main line that could produce a few strong to severe storms. Behind that in Marion County and Flagler County, it's still raining, but I'm not expecting any severe weather for you. Throughout the mid-morning time frame, working across I-4, then passing down to the south right around 9 o'clock. It'll move into Osceola, Polk, Brevard counties. By 10 o'clock, our severe weather threat is over. We'll still have a few lingering showers in our southern locations with some clouds across the rest of the area, but eventually that cloud cover will clear from north to south, but expect somewhat of a cloudy afternoon. And then looking ahead to this afternoon, right around 3, 4, 5 o'clock, a few pop-up showers are possible in our central spots, drying out right around 7, 8 o'clock tonight. So we're not really dealing with afternoon showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be the morning that's going to be a little bit dreary and slick again now until 10 o'clock. We have impact weather with everything clearing out later on in the day. Otherwise, this afternoon, highs reach the mid-80s. So if you are heading out to our theme parks, we are starting off the morning with showers and thunderstorms, but the afternoon does not look too bad. Then tomorrow we'll start off with some morning showers down to our south as our cold front hangs out over South Florida. Could bring in some showers to some of our southern locations, Polk, Osceola, Brevard counties, and then we'll get afternoon clearing and mostly sunny conditions. Central Florida certified most accurate forecast shows about a 10% chance of rainfall just for our southern locations tomorrow. And then starting on Monday, we're back to that typical afternoon shower and thunderstorm activity.
Giving you a live look right now at our radar where it is busy. It is a dreary start. You can see those showers and storms making their way right now through central Florida. Thanks for starting your weekend with us. I'm Christina Watkins here with first warning meteorologist Kellianne Klass, who's been very busy the last several hours monitoring these thunderstorms, tracking the lightning flashes that are just lighting up the sky.
So what you need to know at the top of 7 o'clock, we did have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings earlier in the morning for Marion County, Volusia, Lake, and Seminole. At the moment, there are no severe thunderstorm warnings, but if anything does turn severe, it's going to be the leading edge of the rainfall and the thunderstorms, which is now working through Osceola County and Brevard County. For Orlando, Orange, Seminole County, Lake County, and all of those areas north and west of I-4, your severe weather threat is over. So again, if anything does turn severe, it's going to be due to this main line working through Kissimmee right now on the way to St. Cloud. Still seeing some heavier rainfall south of the beach line, a couple of thunderstorms as well, south of the beach line in eastern Orange County, around Wedgefield, continuing to work off towards northern Brevard County, then from Port St. John north, especially around the Titusville area, through the Kennedy Space Center and off of the Cape. We have some heavier rainfall producing some gusty winds, but eventually we'll start to see things gradually subside as that line continues to work down to the south and east. But again, for the rest of central Florida, Seminole, Volusia, Lake, Flagler, Marion, and Sumter counties just tracking some rainfall at the moment. Your severe weather threat is over. And again, just a few passing showers here in Marion and Flagler counties. Coming up in a few minutes, we'll let you know when the severe weather threat completely ends across central Florida, but when more rainfall is back in the forecast.